Hey everybody, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana.
And welcome to Our Lives Travel, Campfire Side.
No bras in the woods.
Good morning, Pop-Tart. Good morning. Can you say good morning? Can you say good morning? Can you say good morning? Good morning. Hey, sweetie. Y'all, it is cold out here. You can tell that we are city folk because as you can see, I've got on multiple layers. I got my hoodie on. I got this insulated poncho on that we bought. Dana's got layers on. We are sitting outside and it feels cool. But you know why? It's because the wind is blowing. The temperature is only 65 degrees. So that's not cold at all. I don't know why we think it's cold. I think it's because of the wind blowing. And of course we are city folk. We don't really stay outside a whole lot. But yeah. Look at Dana. She's all bundled up, but she is determined to get her craft off. See, right. This is not going to stop her. She brought all her stuff out here. She's determined to be crafting, even though she is cold as all get out. Get your craft on, girl. We said it's cold. We know it's 65 degrees is not really cold, but with the wind blowing, it feels worse than that. So, yeah, city folk don't do cold too well.
Snacks, grazing plate.
Grazing plate?
Grazing plate. We got some pita chips to go with the hummus, peanut butter, carrots, veggie dip, some cheese and apples, and Pop-Tart is just a begging. Looks good. Can't wait to eat it. That's already the best fire we've ever made.
Is it still cold out here?
Yes.
So even though you have your campfire going, you're still cold?
Yes.
Does that help you? Look at the little cone on your head.
I told you this is like a garden now.
And it's funny because of the pole behind you. It looks like it's growing out of your head.
I mean, but this is like the best we've done.
What she said was that she wants a bonfire. She realizes that she wants a bonfire because she wants the flames to be in her face, basically.
I want to feel the heat.
She wants to feel the heat, which means that she wants the flames to be in her face.
My pants have holes in them.
So
I'm cold. Probably colder than you.
She should have wore pants that didn't have holes in them.
But these have flowers.
It's working though. The fire is going.
And I'm feeling the warmth.
And again,
it depends on how the wind blows.
And again, it's the biggest fire we've ever had. Of course, we've only done this twice. And it's lighting you up. You look well lit.
I was gonna sing.
What? You're gonna sing?
I don't know what to sing.
Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya.
What kind of accent was
Kumbaya, my lord. Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving. We just thought we would come on and tell you happy Thanksgiving. No, we got here yesterday. We're at Elijah Clark State Park celebrating Thanksgiving by the lake with our RV.
Corey, what are you having for Thanksgiving dinner?
Well, because we are in a certain situation in the world, I am not having a normal Thanksgiving, and because we're in the camper. So for my Thanksgiving, usually it would look like this. For tonight's Thanksgiving, I'm actually going to have baked beans, stuffing, and macaroni and cheese.
All the breads.
All the breads.
Carbs.
I'm sorry, but there's meat in my baked beans, so I have a little bit of protein there, but come on now. It's all about the sides this year for Thanksgiving. And you? What are you having?
I have no idea. Actually, I don't know. Oh, you know what? I might have chicken and dumplings and garlic bread.
That's okay.
Oh, and some Parmesan broccoli.
At least mine will have two staples that you usually have at Thanksgiving: stuffing and macaroni and cheese.
At least mine will be a meal and not side dishes on a tray.
Whatever. By the way, do you like our outfits? These are our Thanksgiving outfits that Dana provided for us. All
Thank you
flannel.
to Old Navy for having matching family PJs in plus sizes.
Isn't that nice?
All mommies aren't skinny.
Nor should they be. But we just wanted to tell everybody happy Thanksgiving and just let you know we're at the lake enjoying our Thanksgiving this year. Sure there's some other things that we did too, but we hope everybody has a safe and happy Thanksgiving.
Does Pop-Tart have a matching outfit?
No, she doesn't have a matching outfit. But that's okay. She's got Thanksgiving bows. See, Pop-Tart doesn't have a matching outfit.
Work on that, Old Navy. You need pets.
Yeah, we need pet flannel. But she does have some Thanksgiving bows. Can you show her bows? See, she's got some bows. She's got some Thanksgiving bows there. So she's festive, and it's got some red in it, so she kind of matches with us.
Look at our view.
Isn't our view nice? Look at that. We had a campfire last night. Oh, that was so great. First campfire that we've done, and actually worked more than 2 minutes. So that was really nice.
Actually provided heat.
Actually provided heat. We actually had to put it out with some water instead of it going out by itself. So that was nice, but it's just been really peaceful and relaxing here at Elijah Clark State Park. So we're having a good time. We'll show you a little bit more later. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving. Now I gotta call my mom.
Still to come, the world-famous Radio City Parkettes and acapella sensation Pentatonics. It's all marching your way live on NBC.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Good old bagel. Some good turkey bacon. It's Dana's lovely breakfast. She's got chicken and cheese on a bagel.
With butter.
With butter. Nice and tasty. Time for our walk. We had our breakfast this morning. And now we're going to go for our walk. There's a good bit of people. I think the whole park seems like it's pretty full. Maybe a couple lots that are empty, but for the most part it's pretty full around here. A lot of kids riding their bikes and stuff. Saw a couple of boats out on the lake. But we're trying to make sure we're social distancing from everybody else, staying on our own lot space, and just, you know, keep it to ourselves and relaxing, nice and peaceful. So she's seen a couple of dogs barking at them, But other than that, it's been pretty good. Make sure we're keeping our masks on and everything, so it's been nice.
So what I'm going to do is I'm making a keychain, and I'm using these beads that I made and this plate that I made, and I put sayings on them, like positive encouragement sayings, like brave and kindness, faith, and courage, those types of things. But see, they're like this. So they'll have like this, and you can use it as a bag tag, so you get the hoop, or you can use it as a keychain. And I know some people make these. The difference with mine is I actually make my own beads. So I make those, and oops, I also do my own coloring for the little bottom piece too. So.
Hey everybody, we hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you liked it, and that subscribe button, and then the code. Y'all know the drill. Just hit the damn button.